All right, so I just bought a new GoPro Hero 7 from Costco and I'm gonna try it out. So I have been using reclaimed pallets for 6 months plus now, and they're pain in the butt. So we're going to review real quick the MoloMax Pallet Buster. I got this bad boy on Amazon. It was $29.99 plus tax. I got it on Prime in 2 days. So this comes with this head and these two clips to plug in a handle. Well, this is great and all, but without a handle, you really can't do much with this. I mean, it's the same as having like a pry bar and a hammer. So, with the reviews on this on Amazon, showed that you need a metal handle, 1.5 inch. I forget. Look at reviews on Amazon. Diameter, and about either 3 foot long or 4 foot long. So I went to my local hardware store and picked up this threaded pipe. Now I didn't do this as I made it. I make this video after the fact, so bear with me. So this is a 4-foot threaded pipe. It was metal. It was metal. Obviously, it's metal. What I did is put it in my vise. One-handed, kind of heavy. In my vise here. Put the buster on it and marked on the pipe where I needed to drill holes, because this is obviously just a pipe, right? So I tapped it using self-tapping screws first, and using a WD-40 as my oil, tapped the hole, and then I had to go to Harbor Freight and pick up metal bit. So turns out that I need to go all the way to 3/8 of an inch. I don't think you can see that on this bit over here, but we need 3/8 of an inch hole to go all the way through. So I'm going to see all the way through in that hole in there. But there we go. So we got that. Well, now this pipe is now full of metal shavings, and there's an oil on it to make sure it doesn't rust, etc. So after that, I use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and a rag, and wipe the entire thing down, all clean. And then there was like some tape and crap over here. I had to sand that off with a scraper and a secret sandpaper. After that was dry, then I hung it on a cord up here and spray painted it orange. It makes it bright, so it was as bright as this ungodly yellow that this MoloMax comes in. After 2 coats, let it dry. This usually with threaded, they come with caps. So I cleaned out the cap and I put the cap on the handle, the top end of the whole thing, and then used black tape secure it. The other end didn't come with the cap, but I ended up using tape on here to make it a little bit thicker, and so I can protect the threads in case I want to use this pipe for something else later on. Now, this is about 1.25 inches diameter here, so yeah, so this is 1 inch here. So with this and this fits on very snug. So let's see if I can do this one-handed with this camera and put this bad boy on. Let's see here. Like this, and we push it. Yep. And we're gonna push it more. All right, so now this is on. You see it. Now with these pieces here, put it in all the way through. Of me to hold this like I'm doing and film this stuff. Let's go the other way. Let's go this way. I need to edit this part out. Okay, come on, get in there. All right, so that goes like this. Done. Now we have a complete pallet buster or whatever you want to call it. So I tried this out before I painted this bad boy. I look at that. It's already messed paint job. I tried this out with the handle after I drilled the holes. It works pretty good. It beats bending over and using a pry bar and a hammer. The pipe at the local hardware store was about $20. So we're in at what, like $50 for a complete pallet pry buster, quote unquote. Worth it? I mean, I guess. I mean, my back is happy. If you're using reclaimed lumber and pallets for random projects, birdhouses and mouse traps, etc., I mean, I guess it's worth it. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful in terms of review of this MoloMax. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know. All right, thank you.